Today I'll be unboxing both Series 1 and Series 2 of the Disney Ticket Mystery Pins. These were available for pre-order back in April of 2025 at Pink a la Mode, and they were $15.90 per box, and there is one pin in each box. These did sell out super quick, so they are no longer available. So these are 7-pin collections, so you add them together, we have 14 total to collect here. And they feature a Disney princess and then a villain from that princess's story. So the pin designs that we can get for Series 1 are Snow White, the Evil Queen, Belle, Gaston, Aurora, and Maleficent. And then there is a hidden chase pin, which they don't show you on the box here, but on the website when I pre-ordered they showed it. So the chase pin for Series 1 is Maleficent as a dragon. And these are all limited edition 300, except Maleficent is a limited edition 200, and then the Maleficent Dragon Chase Pin is a limited edition 100. And then for Series 2, the pin designs are Ariel, Ursula, Cinderella, Lady Tremaine, Rapunzel, Mother Gothel, and then the hidden chase pin is Vanessa, who Ursula changes into in The Little Mermaid. And these are all limited edition 300, except for Ursula is limited edition 200, and then the chase pin is limited edition 100. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 16 boxes here to open up, which is 16 pins total. So I have 8 boxes for Series 1 and then 8 boxes for Series 2. So I'll unbox Series 1 first, see how we do, and then we'll move on to Series 2. So let's get started here. Now for Series 1, the one I want the most is, of course, the Maleficent Dragon, the one that's a limited edition 100. That is the hardest one to get here. It'd be cool to get the Maleficent one too. So both Maleficent ones, the harder ones to get. These are in white bags, very interesting. All right, let's see what we get. See what these look like in person. So of course from the back, I can't tell because they're all the same. And we have Aurora. So it's a silver ticket, or silver ticket stub, I guess. And we have Aurora in her pink dress. And then at the top it says admit 1. And then it has the date. I believe the date. Is that what this is? Yeah, the date that the movie was released. So it looks like December 9th, 1959. Very cool. Just like the design of these ones. Thought it was a cool idea having them be a ticket. All right, so we have Aurora. So now let's get her villain. Let's get Maleficent. All right, pin 2 here. We have, ooh, I can see the bottom of the pin, and it kind of looks like Maleficent purple and black. And it is! Awesome! So we do have the regular Maleficent. This is the one that's limited edition 200. And so of course we have the same date, because she's also from Sleeping Beauty. Very cool. All right, so we have Sleeping Beauty. So now we can move on to, let's get Snow White. Let's get Belle, Beauty and the Beast. Let's see what we can get here. And this one, ooh, this looks like the same. It is the same. So we have our first double, and it is Maleficent, which is really weird because she is one of the harder ones to get. So we do have a double there. I keep seeing down in like her dress there, or robe, whatever you want to call it, there seems to be a little spot there, and I can't tell if that's a little piece that's missing paint or if that's the star, because these do have 5 stars across the bottom of the ticket, and I can't tell if that's what that is. All right, so let's get into box 4. And this one, I can see the bottom, and it's different. It's a light color, and it is Snow White. So we have Snow White in her usual outfit, and then at the top it says December 21st, 1937. That is a very long time ago. And you can really see the stars across the bottom of her dress there. Can't see them too much on Maleficent because the bottom down there is black. All right. let's see, what is this, box 5? Let's keep going here. I'm looking at the back, so I can't see, and it is another Aurora. So we've got some doubles. We have a Aurora Maleficent doubles there. So now we cannot complete this collection, and that's always the bummer part with these limited edition mystery pens, is once you unbox them, they're not available anymore. So then you have to find somebody who's either selling them or trade someone else who's collecting them. And this one is Gaston. Nice. So we have Gaston there. He's got some arrows on his back. And then the date for this one is 11/22/1991. So November 1991. Beauty and the Beast. All right. Well, we have Snow White and Belle, but we don't have the one that goes with them. So let's get Belle and Evil Queen. Let's see. And, oh, I can see... Oh, no, this isn't. I thought this was another Maleficent, but it is the Evil Queen. I saw purple and was like, it's another Maleficent, but nope. There's a lot more purple on this one. So we have the Evil Queen, and she is holding the heart box there. And the date for this one, oh, we already saw it for Snow White. So it's 12/21/1937. Very cool. So we have Snow White and Evil Queen, Aurora, and Maleficent. So this would be great if it was Belle. I mean, it would also be great if it's the Maleficent dragon. But at least if we get Belle, then we'll have Belle and Gaston. Let's see. And am I going to get a little preview? I am, and it kind of looks like Snow White, and it is Snow White. So we have another double with another Snow White. So not too bad. Got 5 out of the 7. So on that one, I'm missing Belle and the chase pen, which is Maleficent Dragon. So now we'll move on to Series 2. And in this one, I would like to get Rapunzel. Ursula would be cool too. Ariel, Ursula, Rapunzel. Let's see. At least Rapunzel and Ariel are the limited edition 300 ones, so easier to get those. So let's see what we start off with for Series 2. And Series 2 is gold on the back. So golden tickets. And this one, we have Vanessa. So we got the chase pen, the limited edition 100 Vanessa, and this one is gold. So I wonder if just the chase pens are gold? We'll find out. Unless if I unbox all chase pens, then we won't find out, but that's not gonna happen. So let's see if a normal pen is silver or if this whole series is gold. And it is silver on the back. So it's just the chase pins that are gold. And this one is Ariel. And so Ariel, I guess I didn't read the date on that, but this is the same date. So this date says November 17th, 1989. So Ariel, and it looks like she's got, what is that, dinglehopper combing her hair. All right. Well, now we have to get Ursula. Then we'd have Ariel, Ursula, and Vanessa. Let's see. And this one is another silver one. And this one is Rapunzel. So we have Rapunzel standing there in her normal outfit. And the date on this one is November 24th, 2010. Very cool. Let's see again this one. And see from the bottom, this looks like another Ariel, and it is. So we have another Ariel. It's got a double there. All right, well, we can still complete this collection. Series 2. Let's see. And looking at the back, so no sneak preview for me. And we have Lady Tremaine. So Lady Tremaine, she's got, I don't even know what that is. Probably a stick she beats people with, probably. And this date is, what do we got? February 15th, 1950. All right, so now we need Cinderella. And they do have, I saw recently, I think this week, they released a Nightmare Before Christmas version of these. But they do sell out quick, but I think as of yesterday when I was on the Pink a la Mode website, it wasn't sold out yet. So, and this one is Cinderella. Very cool. Cinderella with a bunch of stuff on it. Looks like it's been dipped in oil. Let's see, can I clean that off? Alright, well, I'll have to clean that off before I take a picture. So it's just like all smudged, like someone just rubbed it on their face. So we have Cinderella, of course, same date as Lady Tremaine, 2/15/1950. Very cool. So we have 5 from this set. So we are only missing Mother Gothel and Ursula. Come on, let's get both of those. That'd be great. Especially because I can't buy any more. What we get here. Oh, looking at the back. Ooh, I can see the reflection, and I see a lot of purple. I see Rapunzel purple, and it is Rapunzel. So we have another Rapunzel, which, hey, if you're going to get doubles, Ariel and Rapunzel are good doubles to get. And our last pen, so we cannot complete this collection, but maybe we can get Ursula or Mother Gothel. And I'm looking at the back again. No sneak preview for me. And we got Ursula! Awesome! So Ursula standing there, and the date is November 17th, 1989. And this is a limited edition 200. So we got the two harder to get ones, the more limited ones, the 200 for Ursula, and then the limited edition 100 for Vanessa. So overall, across the 2 series, I didn't do too bad. This was actually pretty good. So those were the Disney Tickets Mystery Pins, Series 1 and 2 from Pink a la Mode. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. My favorite is probably Maleficent. I love collecting Maleficent pins, so that one kind of stands out for me. So either that or Rapunzel. And I do want to point out that the Maleficent pin, that is one of the little black stars on the bottom. It looks like when you're holding the pin, it looks like the purple part of her robe is a paint chip, but it's just one of the little black stars. And then I also was able to clean off Cinderella. She had some smudge on there. So that is all clean. So this was a great unboxing for me. For Series 1, I got 5 out of the 7. So the ones I'm missing there are Belle, and then the chase pin, which is Maleficent as a dragon. And then Series 2, I did a little better. I got 6 out of the 7 because I did get the chase pin, which is awesome. The one I'm missing there is Mother Gothel. So if you add these up, that's 14 pins total, and I got 11 out of the 14. So hey, I'll take it. So Pink a la Mode did release Nightmare Before Christmas version of these ticket pins, and I'm looking at the website right now, and as of today, which is August 12th, they are still available. By the time you're seeing this video, they'll maybe be sold out, but hey, go check, see if you can get some boxes. And then they did have some Disney Classic Animals ones that I think they sold at a pin event, and then they sold some leftovers on the website, but those sold out immediately. But so that's 4 different versions of these ticket pins. So maybe they'll keep going with these, and I love the design, so I think that would be pretty cool. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.